So we are going to Half Bay, and this is what is it? 92. This is Highway 92. As you can see, you can find some cherries along the way. It's a beautiful day. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. So beautiful. So we have Lemon's Farm. Okay, guys, so we have arrived at Half Bay, and I don't know where we're going. I don't know, dude. So I think the beach is gonna be right over there, just a couple of minutes away from here. And to be honest, I don't know where we are, and I don't know where we're going. Okay, so I'm gonna give you an update. We are looking for a beach, and yeah, so I don't know where we're going, but hopefully we're gonna find that beach that we want to go. He's gonna try to take off the drone. Ooh, look at this. Oh, wow. All right. Can you take it higher? Alright, so it seems like it's really windy today, so that's why the drone is shaking a little bit. But it's working! Yeah! Okay guys, so it seems like we got it. So now we just need to test it out again before our trip. So good. State Beach. Look at this beautiful beach. And it seems like you have to pay. Probably not. This is open from 8 a.m. to sunset. And there's a lady. Oh yeah, you have to pay $8 parking fee due daily. Okay, so I think we're just gonna turn around. We're not gonna... All right, yeah. So you have to pay $8 just to be outside in the cold. So no, it's a no for us. So reminding barrier level. Okay, so this is the Tom Lantos tunnel, and I don't know how long it is. So this is Pacifica.